So this is two of the things that I use. This is a Ninja to go blender. I got it at Walmart.
Given that we don't have a lot of space,
I use this as my blender to make my pina colada.
I use these, the smaller juices. They're literally like the little juices. In the size, where is it? Right here, 6 ounces. I use these ones because I don't have a lot of space in my fridge. So I just use these, and I use one of these and then a little bit of the coconut cream and ice, of course. And this I also got at Walmart. Um, and so just put this in the microwave there for like 2 minutes, and it will like toast your bread. It's kind of cool.
Crunchy.